Money will show up right away in your life. I'm about to activate your mind to receive large sums of money. Now, look, I'm not talking about finding a quarter on the street or finding some change in your couch. I'm talking about large sums of money. And you don't need to know how you're going to receive it, but you are. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high. Like a big, beautiful eagle, we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. High flyers, want to thank you. I'm so grateful that you've subscribed to this channel. And remember to click the bell icon because we're here almost every day with a new video. So why not find out when it's available? Click the bell icon. I'm so excited for you because money is about to show up in your life right away. Now, I did a video about 4 weeks ago. If you caught it, it was how to manifest anything. And I activated people's minds. And I mean, the comments, the evidence, the energy, the vitality, the letters, the emails. I mean, it's just overwhelming how many people are receiving good things from that video. And I know you're about to receive money from this video. People all over the world watched that video and they received clear, concise evidence that what they wanted was already manifesting right before their very eyes. Now, I know some of you may be doubtful, and that's okay. Listen, I and others know that this works. But even if you're doubtful, stay with it. I mean, you have everything to gain and nothing to lose. But I know some of you are saying, Robert, there's no room for me to make money. The market is saturated. What I want to do, everybody's doing now. There's no more room on TikTok or YouTube or Instagram. I mean, it's filled with millions of content creators. There's no way to make money. Some of you are saying money is just too hard to come by. I mean, you've got to work your off all the time to make a little bit of money. And yet some of you, and I've heard this many times and I don't agree, say, well, look, you can't be spiritual and make money at the same time. But remember, spirituality is a vibration. Money is a vibration. And these two vibrations can be in perfect alignment. It's up to you. One of the things I hear all the time is, Robert, there's nothing special about me that I should ever make any money. I mean, this is total unworthiness. I'm not worthy of making money. And that's a real limiting belief. That's a negative thought that will hold you back. But Robert, don't you understand? I'm always in debt. Every month I go deeper and deeper in debt. High flyers, that's a huge limiting belief. And I'm going to say this to you right now. Going deeper in debt is about to end in your life. You're about to receive large sums of money. But Robert, this is all scam. This is all chicanery. I mean, this is all just positive thinking. You got to work hard for money. Hard. Have you heard people say that? Not true. I don't want to make money. Rich people are greedy and selfish. Another massive limiting belief, another doubt that will hold you back from receiving the money you deserve and the money you desire. You see, most of our life, when it comes to money, are based on old, tired, worn out beliefs. Beliefs that no longer work, that no longer serve you, and beliefs that certainly don't allow you to make more money. So before we get started, let me quickly give you my affirmation, my favorite affirmation when it comes to making money. Money is too damn easy to make. You see, when you believe that money is easy to make, then it becomes easy. But if you believe it's difficult, if you believe it's evil, if you believe it's bad, if you believe it's hard to come by, then it is. Your beliefs determine what you manifest. Okay, while you've been watching this video, I have already activated your mind to receive large sums of money. Believe and allow the money you deserve and desire to come into your life. It may come in the form of opportunities. It may come in the form of unknown sources, or an inheritance, or a lottery win, or business success. It may come in the form of a raise. It may come in a number of forms, or a combination of forms. The manifestation of money flowing into your life is happening right this very moment. Listen to me very closely. The universe is saying yes to your wealth. The universe is saying yes to money. The universe is saying yes to your abundance. Now, here are 3 signs that your reticular activating system, that portion of your brain that proves things to you, 3 signs that your RAS will find for you and present for you. And it's almost going to become annoying because you're going to see these signs everywhere. And every time you see these signs, I want you to say these words: money in my life now. Money in my life now. The first sign, this may be a difficult one. You may say, well, I'll never see that. I never see turtles. But you're going to see a turtle. Now, you're going to find somebody that owns a turtle. Maybe they're going to show up in your life and say, hey, guess what? I just bought a pet turtle. Or maybe it's going to be on the internet or in a picture. Or maybe you're going to see the word turtle on a license plate. I don't know. But a turtle is going to show up. And it's a sign from the universe through your reticular activating system that money is literally flowing into your life this very moment. The second sign you're going to see is the number 999. Now, this is a pretty uncommon number. I mean, we see 1111 all the time, but how often do we see 999? If you're seeing 999, especially if you're seeing the number 999 along with seeing turtles, wow, just open up your wallet and get ready to receive. And the last sign that will prove to you beyond any shadow of a doubt that this is working for you, that money is coming to you, that money is flowing into your life, is you're going to see sunflowers. Now, some of you are already in that part of the year where the sunflowers have died, where the leaves are turning orange and brown and various autumn colors. And you're thinking, I'll never see a sunflower, but you will see a sunflower. You will see the number 999, and you will see a turtle. And these are signs, proof positive that money is in your life right now. So what you must do now, high flyers, before we go forward, is write down this affirmation. Write it on a piece of paper. Carry it with you in your wallet or purse. Large sums of money are now flowing into my life easily. Now sit back, relax, and allow the money to come to you. You don't need to know how it's going to happen. It's happening right now. Just relax and allow the money to come. And every time you see a turtle, or 999 or a sunflower, you will know beyond any shadow of a doubt that wealth, prosperity, and abundance and money are flowing into your life. Now, all I'm going to say is this. Once you begin seeing these signs, you better start making room for the money that's coming into your life and all the things you're going to do with it. And I'm going to ask you to do one more thing. When you start getting that money flowing, when that money is flowing into your life, pay a little bit of it forward. Help someone else out who's struggling in this world. That's why we're here. That's what it's all about. You are about to manifest your wildest dreams, the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health and happiness you depend on. I invite you to visit us at lawofattractionsolutions.com. Do it now and claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy success coaching. Find out what a mentoring program can mean for your life. Have a great day, because you deserve it.